Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, welcome to Anika's channel. So today I want to share my simplest, my quickest, my easiest hair care and skincare routine to you guys. I try to do it once or twice a week whenever I get time, and I call it my pamper time. I love it so much. So it's very easy and it doesn't take that long. It takes max, I would say, an hour. It depends on people. Like I personally try to always take a shower after my skincare or hair care. I think it just works best for me. So it takes an hour for me, and it's very simple, very minimal products, and you guys all should try it since we all are home right now. All my new viewers, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and share it to your friends and family. So without any further ado, let's get started. So you guys can see my hair is looking very dry and my roots were looking very oily. So that's when I use this hair treatment. It's by Lush. It's called Roots. It has that beautiful minty flavor, I would say, and it just makes my scalp really cool and fresh every time I use it, and it just works wonder on my scalp because I have very oily scalp, and it gives me a very nice and fresh feeling after washing them off. So I always try to focus right onto my scalp and also back of my head, so mostly on the roots. So that's where I focus with this hair treatment. And as you guys can see, I'm massaging it very gently onto my scalp. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to tie all my hairs with a hair clip and cover it with my shower cap, and so that it just stays cool and it can work in there, So I'll keep it for 20 minutes. Today I will be using my Vanity Planet spin brush. And first I just damped my face with some warm water, and then I'm using my favorite La Roche-Posay cleanser. It's for combination and oily skin. I'm just first massaging it onto my skin and kind of going everywhere where I want to clean first. Then with the help of the spin brush, I am just going over the places and kind of since it spins, so I don't need to move my hand more often. I'm just focusing the areas I think I need more, I need to clean more. It's of course around my nose, and I do have some black heads around my nose area, so that's where I focus mostly and kind of put some pressure when I'm trying to clean with a spin brush. So I'm just washing my face with some warm water. Then I'm going to put a mask on my face. So today I'm using this Pure Clay mask by L'Oreal, which is the Clarify and Smooth mask, the lemon one. It helps to clarify and smoothen skins, and I love this mask. I try to use it once a week all the time because it just gives a very nice smooth and brightness after I use this mask, and it's so quick. You don't have to keep it for so long. You can just keep it on your face for 5, I would say max. You guys can take 15 minutes, but it definitely is very nice on my skin. I love this mask. So I'm just using my fingers to put the mask all over my face. And then I'm going to keep that for 15 minutes. So I just took shower, I washed off my hairs, and also of course you see the mask. So for my ends, I will be using the Coco and Eve Like a Virgin hair mask. I am going to focus more towards my end, and it will reduce the frizziness of my hair. and I'm going to keep that for 10 minutes. So now it's time for face. I'm using this niacinamide by Ordinary. So niacinamide helps to minimize the pores, and I always keep this on my routine. It helps to brighten your skin also. So then I'm using my sunscreen serum. It's by La Roche-Posay. It has SPF 50. I'm not going out though, but I still use sunscreen serum. I think everyone should. It's good for your skin. Then for moisturizer, I'm using La Roche-Posay Double Repair Face Moisturizer, and I'm kind of like patting that onto my skin and kind of massaging it. Basically, you guys can see I am massaging it onto my skin. So then for hair, I am using coconut milk. It's a nourishing oil, focusing more onto my ends, but after that, like what I'm going to do is whatever I have left on my hands, I am just going to spread all over my hair. So yeah, this is it, and it was the quickest and easiest skincare and hair care routine for you guys, and I hope you all have enjoyed it. If you so, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and of course share it to your friends and family. I will see you guys on my next video. Take care, everyone.